Hello again. Okay, let's have a quick look at how I started the Royal Guard Helm from Lord of the Rings. I've got a sort of egg shape which provides the basic dome. I've tried to keep it nice and thin, and then I started with masking the most important areas, the nose guard and these straps that go over the top of the dome. So I've got those. Then these kind of mustache shaped eyebrows, beautiful. It's a beautiful feature which gets some additional detail later on, but I just want to get the shape. And there I'm using it to cut out the eye sockets from the helmet. Now I've already got some nose guard action there, but I've turned my attention now to the hammering effect that you have with as if it's been bashed out by a metal worker. So that's fun to do. And yeah, now we can see I've got all the major parts going here, including a nose guard placement. So there are these rather complex horse-based designs which are, well, it's like they're hammered into the metal. And so I have to get a nice boolean using Matchmaker to follow the curve of the helmet, and then I could have done with making them a bit thicker because there was a tendency for it to try and kind of seal over. They weren't quite deep enough. But I've got the basic idea here. It's repeated 4 times in each corner, and a bit of smoothing. Now we've got a continuous kind of spiral pattern across the main band, and this is performed with a set of booleans which have to bite into the surface, leaving a raised pattern and a nice edge. This is quite tricky because I have to repeat the pattern and get the connections really good. That was a bit of a job, and of course it can't be done with any kind of symmetrical opposite side. It's a continuous pattern all the way around. So that's the first steps towards the helmet.